Thank you. Ooh, Lord Jesus.
You're nasty.
Ooh. Lord.
Know them bitches finna hate, all you do is inspire. Can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings even if I.
What's good, Italy team? It's your girl Tully Tots in a building. You already know. Coming to y'all with another monkey ass video, and as you can read by the title, we gonna be acting like we got some snot running down our noses while we talking to these people. So shout out to my mom for giving me this idea to do this, you know. Even though this is a nasty idea, is that people gonna be like, oh, you got something up your nose? Or are they just gonna keep talking to me and just pretend that I don't got shit coming down my nose? In this video, y'all already know your girl so eyelash and skincare products. I ain't rocking the lashes, the lip gloss, the skincare, and the highlights, baby. But look, Black Friday is coming up very soon, literally in 2 weeks. And we is releasing new items, okay? Shh, shh. Stay tuned for the huge Black Friday sale. You do not want to miss that. So definitely check me out in the description box below and sign up for our website so you can stay tuned, baby. Let's get into this video. So I almost forgot to put the fake knot on my nose. I'm using our serum, by the way. And if y'all don't know what serum is or what it does for your skin, I'll put it right here for you. It's getting in my mouth.
Oh. You alright?
Sorry. Ooh.
Hey, you alright?
My nose is going crazy right now. I'm sorry, y'all. What's so funny?
Is this a prank? Because it's just a prank.
It's not, so stop laughing.
I apologize. What you snapping on?
I'm snapping on both of y'all because y'all getting smart with me.
Hey, but sweetheart,
don't raise your voice.
But like, what we gonna do? Fight over the phone? Like, what we gonna do? But you gonna hit me through the phone? There's no need to do all that.
Y'all need to stop talking to me so I can wipe my nose.
So you're mad because you can't wipe your fucking nose?
What the?
Oh, my nose.
What the?
Watch your language.
Oh shit! Bless you, bless you.
Thank you. Whew.
Yeah, you fine. Shit. Listen to the baby. Listen to the baby.
Ooh, look. He was like, listen to the baby. Listen to the baby.
Bless you.
Thank you.
You're nasty.
Ooh. What the hell is you doing? You not on TikTok, boy. You was on Monkey App.
Oh, what's good? Oh, you wow, beautiful. I ain't God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Lord. Ooh.
You're nasty.
What the hell is you looking at? Hey. I'm good. I'm sorry.
Hey.
Hey.
Bless you.
Ooh, I made a little mess.
That's it. At some time.
I made a little mess.
You sick? Wipe your nose.
Can you wipe it for me?
if I was there.
Bro. Oh, you're a sweetheart. I'm trying to be cute, you know, trying to wipe my nose all cute and stuff, but it's not even working.
Boy, if you don't.
Hush you.
Thank you.
Hush you.
Ooh,
You're
Lord
nasty.
Jesus. Whew. Lord.
Bless you, fucking like 20 sneezes.
Do you have a problem with my 20 sneezes?
No, love that.
What's wrong with him?
I don't give a. Ooh, see, fine enough. Motherfucker.
Thank
But
you.
you that good at be making them video on the YouTube videos, ain't you?
Who?
Ad time. I'm focusing on your wish.
Who?
Bro, what's your name?
Sandra?
Oh, boy, I swear to God, it's a girl that's on YouTube that look just like you, and she be posting on the videos of her monkey conversations on YouTube.
Oh shit. Well, I guess thank you.
Were you sneezing?
Yeah.
Who the
Watch your language.
That is her. On BD, that's her.
That's who. My name is Sandra, okay?
Man, that's you, shorty. What's up, man?
What's up?
You think you slick? Hey, but hey, nah, since you finna post it on YouTube, answer this question. Can me and my girl
Huh?
Can me and my girl have a threesome?
Oh, hell no.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you. Ooh.
Oh, you got that shit. No, don't ask. Talk.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, bless you. Bless you here.
Thank you. Ooh.
Here.
My nose, Lord Jesus.
Are you okay?
I'm hearing on.
Ooh, Lord, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Who you saying ill to?
Yeah.
He gonna wait till 1 second and say, yeah. Ooh.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. My nose.
Sneeze, no problem.
Ooh.
Whoa, bless you.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
It's alright.
Thank you. He's understanding.
Oh my God.
Dang, I was gonna prank y'all.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Ooh.
Oh, hell no.
Sorry. Hey, sexy, can I buy you a Pepsi?
Yeah, you can buy me a Pepsi. Yeah, ice me out. Bless you.
You better say bless you, but yeah.
Yeah, I got manners. What's up with you though? What's your name?
These boogies on my nose that keep leaking out. I'm sorry.
You good?
Whew. Hey, baby.
Hey.
How you doing? Whoosh. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Lord. I'm sorry for
How
that.
your day going?
It's going good. What's so funny?
Huh?
What's so funny?
Oh, I'm just talking to people in the game.
Why the lying? Why you always lying?
Oh shit.
you, bless you. Is that a baggie? Have you shit?
Ooh, Lord Jesus.
Yeah, that's you. Oh, that's disgusting.
What's disgusting? It just got dark hella fast. But anyway, that was it. That was all. Hopefully y'all liked this video. I feel like this video gonna be short, but this video was nasty. I can admit this video was nasty as hell. But if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and share the video. It's the top of my lip feel moisturized as hell. Like I'm touching it and it feel moisturized. Oh. But yeah, so now it's time for notification, gang notification, shout out. You feel me? You feel me? So the first shout out goes to Mr_Cash_man. Shout out to you. The next shout out goes to _stunna.a._. Shout out to you too. The next shout out goes to Faux Sisters. And they also have a YouTube channel called Faux Sisters. So shout out to them. And the last shout out goes to its_Ariana. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support that you guys been giving to Oli Tati. And if you guys want to be part of Notification Gang Notification Squad, send me a screenshot that you got my YouTube post notifications on to my Instagram. And yes, I will be checking. Like, comment, subscribe, all that goody stuff you already know. It's your girl Oli Tati and we out this piece.
Know them bitches finna hate, all you do is inspire. Can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings.